Okay. I have the same program open right now, and what I will do now is I'll make small changes to this program. X I'll say as the same values. I'll copy those values here as a list. I'll cut it from over here and paste it over here. And Y is equal to, I will cut it from over here and paste it over here. I have two lists. One is X and one is Y. Everybody remembers list? Everybody remembers list that we did in the previous class? Previous class in the sense in class 11th. List, L-I-S-T, list. We did strings, we did list, we did numpy. These are the three main things that we covered over there. And my list has 10 values. I have two lists, X and Y, and both the list has 10 values. Okay? So now, apart from this, instead of giving the values in the plot statement, I'll just say X, comma, Y. In the place of x-axis, I'll say X. In place of y-axis, I'll say Y. And I'll say mp dot x label. Here I'll say class. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the 10 classes जिसका हमने average aptitude record कर लिया है, ठीक है? And at the same time, I say mp dot y label average aptitude. Kanishka, everybody is coming on time, right? Not after 12 o'clock. Please see that you come on time to the class. The class starts at 11:55. And I'm very punctual about my timings, so I want you people to be punctual about it. Next time onwards, I'll not allow anybody entry in the class. Okay. Label का spelling गलत हो गया है. Label. If I want to give a title, I'll try whether title is possible because we always have tried it for the bar chart. Title, aptitude, sorry, not aptitude, average aptitude, aptitude of classes 1 to 10. Okay. So now I say run. Run. Okay. Every time I load Python, for the first time when the import statement is executed, it takes a lot of time. Can I keep on executing? It is already executed. It will work very quickly the next time. So see where the title has come, see where the class has come, and see where the average aptitude has come. How did I define the x-axis label? X label, I just gave it in round brackets, and in quotations I gave the label. Y label, I just gave it in quotations, average aptitude. and in title I gave the title. By default, what is the color of the line in the line chart? All
Blue.
these are questions that might be asked for MCQs. You people are very lucky. हमारे समय में MCQs नहीं होते थे. And we have not done CBSE also. We have done state board. Not we, I have done state board. I don't know about the other teachers. I have done state board. We used to have 6 subjects there. Compulsorily, you have to take 6 subjects. आप लोगों के 5 सब्जेक्ट्स है, उसमें भी आप लोग इतने धीरे धीरे सोचते रहते हैं. So by default the color of the line is blue, right? I can change the color of the line also. How do I do it? I'll minimize this and I'll make changes here. When I use the plot statement where I'm saying x comma y, I can add more parameters over here. Color is equal to red, comma, line width. I can increase the width of my line. Line width is equal to 1.0, and at the same time I can say line style is equal to, in single quotations, if I say dash dash. Okay. Now let's see what happens. What happened now? You are going to explain me this. ये ना अगर फेस टू फेस क्लासरूम में सिखाता है ना, तो we would have done it so quickly, क्योंकि I would have been able to judge your reactions by looking at your faces. यहाँ पे क्या है, ऑनलाइन क्लास में everything goes very slowly, and that is why we need to cut short the syllabus. Now you people are going to explain this figure. I can also, I'll try something else for you here. Instead of dash, I'll say star. Let us see what happens. Run. Okay. Still they are coming. एक बड़ा डंडा लेके ना बहुत जोर से मारना पड़ेगा एक दिन मुझे. सब धीरे धीरे आते रहते हैं. Okay, star it doesn't accept. What all styles can I have that I will have to check out? Parth, what is it? Why are you coming so late? It is already 12:07. आने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, घर में आराम करो. I'll keep it dash and I will check out what all line patterns can I have. Right now we will limit it to this. Supposing I have aptitude, average aptitude as well as average, कुछ और भी उन्होंने suppose check किया है कि height, ठीक है? So now I can draw a line chart of 2 lines. This is y1. Y1 is aptitude and Y2. I will just copy the whole list and I will make changes to the values. Suppose the height is in centimeters. अच्छा फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा है तो हाइट थोड़ी छोटी होगी. Say 100. I don't know what height they have. Then 110, then 125, then fourth class 130, fifth class 135, sixth class 140, seventh class 145, eighth class 160, फिर ninth class 155, 10th class 170, and I think I have used 10 numbers. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I've used all the 10 numbers. So, and I will have to now write another plot statement because I'm going to plot 2 lines. If I'm going to plot 3 lines, I'll have to write 3 plot statements. If I'm going to plot 4 lines, I'll have to write 4 plot statements. This is y1 and this is y2. Height. Now the problem, what problem we are going to face here, please let us see. First I'll show you what problem we're going to face here and then we'll rectify the problem. Okay. So I say run. The error is not the error for current execution. Line number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What went wrong? पहले line style तो काम कर गया था. Now it is not working. I'll make this green. I'll change the color. Okay, I think it is not able to use color line width both the places. So let me check. X and Y must have the same first dimension, but have shapes 10, 9. Why 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अच्छा कॉमा फुल स्टॉप की वजह कॉमा होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. रन. ओके. I hope it works now. And if it doesn't work, no problem. See, 2 lines have been drawn. The green is height and the red is aptitude, average aptitude of the class. Okay. Now there is one problem here. क्योंकि green line depicts the height of the average height of all the children of a particular class, and the value starts above 100 or from 100. The line is above 100, and the red line depicts the, because the values are below 100, the on the y-axis it is below 100, right? So I need to now, actually this is quite confusing कि इसमें से average aptitude कौन सा है and which one is the height. So there is a property called as legend also for matplotlib.pyplot. I will show you that property also, and I will say here mp dot legend. Legend. Just a second. Okay, legend. How do we use legend? legend. Legend in line chart. So if I want to give legend, just 1 minute. There is no example of legend as such, but ये आता है एग्जाम में. Legend in line chart. One minute, I'll check the textbook because it is not showing me the legend here, and that is very important from your syllabus point of view. We will just say opening bracket, closing bracket, and see what happens. Run. Legend has to come automatically. Okay, this legend part I will myself look into and let you know by tomorrow, because we have to use it in the line chart. You have it in all the charts wherever we are using two things at the same time on a chart. Like here we are using aptitude test and height. So what is the green line and what is the red line? Explaining that on the chart is also very important. So what legend does is somewhere here, I don't know why the square has been shown here, but we can try it out here. में ऑटोमेटिकली लेता है वैसे वो legend. I'll say I have to give a value that I agree, but there are examples in the book where the legend doesn't need any value. Just give me a minute. ऑटोमेटिकली वो पिकअप कर लेता है उसको लेजेंड को. first line, okay, label is equal to first line. I say label is equal to A I'll give right now, and then let's check it later on. And here I'll say label is equal to H. Done. Done module. Okay. लेबल का स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया है. I'll kill this. Done. Okay. I hope it comes now. Yeah, here it has come. A मैंने वहाँ A दिया था, that is why it has come as A. So I'll change it to aptitude. Aptitude and height. Maybe I have given it in the wrong manner. या हो सकता है मैंने labels गलत दिए हो. I didn't check it out. Yeah, red is aptitude and green is height. So this is my legend over here. Right? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
What all things I have used? So I'm going to give you a question today for your homework to draw a line chart where I have 10 men and 10 women. 10 men and 10 women. I am supposed to display a line chart with proper x-axis, y-axis, title and legend to show the weight of those 10 men and 10 women. To show the weight of those 10 men and 10 women. And I want this done by tomorrow, because tomorrow also I will be taking 2 classes. I need to compensate my last 2 classes which I missed on Monday.
Please repeat the question once.
Yeah. I want you to draw a line chart which will show me all the labels, including the x-axis, y-axis, title and legend. Okay? And this line chart has to represent the, what did I say, weight or height? Weight. So weight will be in decimals also. You have to show me the weight of 10 men and 10 women on the line chart. 10 men and 10 women on the line chart. Okay? If you are able to do it tomorrow, I will say that, okay, you've understood what is the line chart. How are you going to write a program in Python to draw a line chart? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Especially the boys here. Paying attention. See to it that you do the question tomorrow. First, I'll catch those boys, those who are not attentive in the class. तो फिर कल सभी लेट आएंगे क्लास में. I'll be posting all these videos. वो उस दिन वाला भी एक वीडियो था on YouTube. Today only. कुछ भी करके आज ही पोस्ट करना है, बिकॉज वो बैकलॉग हो जाता है तो मुझे भी याद नहीं रहता.